Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make a chocolate wafer roll. You need a package of these. I have company coming tonight and it's a really quick dessert, but it's really good. The first thing you need to do is put your whip in your bowl in the freezer for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, now you need 2 cups or 2.5 cups. I like to make a little extra of the heavy whipping cream. And pour that in your mixer bowl. I'm just gonna put a little extra in. And then you need a 1/2 cup of confectionery sugar. And you're gonna start beating this and just put in your sugar a little at a time. And I'll be back. And when it's almost there, take a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And drizzle it in. And then continue beating till your whipped cream is done. And I'll be back to assemble it. Okay, once you got your whipped cream, what you're gonna do is take your wafers. Of course, some of mine are broken, but and then lay another one on top of it. Try to do this where they're... And then put some more whipped cream on. And you're just gonna keep sandwiching these. And put some more on. And just keep sandwiching it. And I'll be back when I have mine done. Okay, once you get it started, you can flip it up this way and just keep adding your whipped cream and your wafers. And I'll be back. Okay, there's mine. And I'm gonna grate some chocolate on it. And this has to refrigerate for at least 4 hours. So just take a little grater and grate some chocolate on it. And then you have a really easy, yummy dessert. There. And there you go. And just refrigerate it for 4 hours, and that's it. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for subscribing, sharing, watching the videos, commenting. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I have tons to go. Thanks. Okay, so here's mine. And I did grate some chocolate on it. Now this has to refrigerate for 4 hours. And when you're ready to serve it, cut it diagonally. And it's a super easy dessert, and it's really good. Thank you for subscribing, watching the video, sharing the videos, commenting. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I have tons to go. So I will see you next time. Have a great day.